For centuries, we have looked at the stars and admired them for so long, wondering, is there anything else beyond that? Any life except us? Well, we don't have to keep wondering anymore. Welcome to the world of astrobiology. Astrobiology is not just finding about aliens, it's more about understanding how the universe came to be and how us humans were actually formed in the first place. The most important thing about finding any life is habitability. To find life and create life, we need to find a habitat where there's water, where there's food, and where there's a climate where these chemical building blocks can actually create cells. And then, of course, the chemical building blocks. So, let me catch you up on all the astrobiology we found on other planets. On Mars, we are still sending our rovers down there, and they are studying these ancient biosignatures. And we right now are just trying to bring those samples back to Earth so we can study them and find out all the pieces of astrobiology that there may be. And as for some moons, the NASA's Europa Clipper is currently being sent to Jupiter's moon Europa because we can see from Earth that there are huge oceans over there, and we think that it may have more water than all of the oceans combined on Earth. And that could be a huge step because, of course, it's one of the biggest issues in the world right now that water is running out. So I'm really hopeful for that one, and hopefully, fingers crossed, of course, that it works out. And now we have also started giving credits to some dwarf planets. So one of them is Ceres, and we think that its long atmosphere could have been, a huge long period where just how on Earth life came to be. We also think that Ceres's habitability was for a really long time, and maybe some signs of life could be found there as well. And one of the most exciting parts, the Tianhui 2 mission, it's being sent to a quasi moon. I can't pronounce the word, so here it is, and it's being sent here because we think that the building blocks that make us up can be kind of like explained there, like kind of a handbook to how these chemical building blocks came to be to Earth and how these cells made up us. But the search doesn't stop there. We, as a team of a universe obsessed people on Earth, well, not me of course, but those people who have degrees, they have a little more curiosity than that. So the James Webb Telescope, it's looking at some oxygen and some methane that couldn't exist without life, and we are searching for those right now. And of course, the one thing that holds us all in communication, technology. We are also actively looking for techno signatures from anywhere around, some radio signals or some radio waves, because that would 100% mean that there is some life there. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I make videos like this daily, and who knows, maybe I'll see you in my next one.